So the last topic is composition of functions. Suppose we have two functions, f from x to y, and then g from y to z. Then you can think of the function f followed by g. This composition is this function is f followed by g. So this is defined by, well, you apply f first, and then you apply g. That's it. Well, I just wanted to recall the definition of composition of functions, and the reason is we want to discuss this good example, quite nice problem. Look at this expression. Arc cosine of 1/3 followed by sine. Quite confusing, and it's not clear. This problem is not easy at all. So eventually we will use some geometric method, but before doing that, let me use some unknown to replace this. So look at this inside. Inside we have arc cosine of 1/3, and let me put x equals arc cosine. Eventually we want to replace this inside expression by x. So far what we have done is almost nothing, but this gives you something nice. So we have arc cosine, or inverse of cosine, that assigns x to this value 1/3, right? What can you say about cosine applied to this x? Cosine of x equals 1/3. This is quite good information. Remember, x is angle. So now we can draw a right triangle that gives this identity. Cosine x equals 1/3. So you are using the angle x inside right triangle. Like this, so that once you take cosine of x, you get 1/3. Well, there are many such right triangles, but you can use those numbers 1 and 3. So for example, 1 and 3. So this labeling is completely up to you. And here we are taking simple numbers. I mean, if you use 1 and 3 for this base and hypotenuse, cosine is exactly 1/3. So then we can find this height using the Pythagorean theorem, which is square root 9 minus 1. Good. And actually we are done, because the given expression, look at this given expression. The given expression is sine of x. But this triangle says that sine of x is the ratio between square root 8 and 3. Okay, so using this geometric method is quite useful, but in the first step you need to replace this inside expression by x, and then you use definition of our cosine, then you can use this triangle to find the given expression.